Hi, my name's Paul Olivier and welcome to How Computing. This is a YouTube channel, which means we're going to be posting videos up to YouTube here, and they're all going to be staying in the same spot under this channel for you to find easier later. Now, we're going to be posting up tutorials and walkthroughs, and a major part of what we're going to post up is sharing my screen with you so that you can see the steps that I take in order to fix problems or go through the things that you're finding complicated right now. Now, the reason why we're choosing this medium is because with YouTube, I find that it's a lot easier. I don't know, have you ever had that situation where you get help from a computer guy, he comes out, you're trying to watch what he does so that you can do it later and not maybe pay the $150, and boom, 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 he's done it very quick. You have no idea what he has done, but the problem's solved. My mum hates that. Whenever I go over and fix her computer, that's the number one thing I hear. I hear, slow down, I need to know how to do this myself later. The thing with YouTube is you're going to be able to pause, rewind, rewatch. You're going to be able to do all of these things, and you're going to be able to do it in your own leisure. And it's not dependent on watching someone do it at Speedy Gonzales pace. The other great thing about this is it's all free, so it's not going to cost you a cent to watch any of these videos. And if you've got anything to suggest, then give us a shout in the comments. I'll also post other contact methods later, and you can request a video, or you can ask questions, or just leave some feedback. I'm open to any kind of constructive feedback there. The major thing here is we want to teach you how to use your computer, and how to keep yourself safe online. Because I feel that if you know those two things, then the thing that comes along, which is often the fear or the resistance, which stops you from learning these things and kills your curiosity in learning these things, that should be gone. If you know how to do these things, or you can see that someone's done it and you can follow the steps that I take, and you know that it's being done in a manner that's safe, no one's going to get your details, no one's going to be able to track you online and that sort of thing, then maybe after you watch a few videos you might be able to teach your partner or your kids or even your grandkids something as well. The major reason why I'm doing this, my personal motivations in doing this, is because I find that technology is a huge part of life these days. It's massive. You can't walk down the street without there being some form of technology these days. Now, I think this is good because there's a whole bunch of improvements that have been made to the quality of life of people, such as medicine, and even in some of the poorer countries. I mean, at the end of the day, you can buy a $30 tablet now and take lessons at Harvard, and it's all completely free due to the use of technology. But the problem with that and the negative effects that it creates is that for people that don't feel that they're technically minded, or for people that didn't grow up with the technology, sometimes they're getting left behind and they're being stuck in situations where their banks don't hire tellers anymore and suggest that you just bank online, and that makes them feel very uneasy. Or you need to lodge a form with your local government agency and they don't have paper copies of them anymore. I find that the more that technology improves life, the more that it's not going to improve those people's lives, because they're going to feel left behind. So the crux of what we're doing here is to try and help everyone be at the same page. So don't be scared to leave a comment. Don't be scared to ask a question. We're here to help. I'm here to help. And I really want to make everyone's life better with technology. So our first series is going to be based around the mechanics of YouTube and how to use YouTube, because I find it's a very helpful learning mechanism. I've learned so much on YouTube. I watch a lot more YouTube these days than what I may watch free-to-air TV or cable TV, not to name the only company in Australia that really does it. And I find that I'm a much happier person, and I'm getting much more independent sources, and I tend to get a little less of the media bias and that sort of thing. So, like I said, follow us through to the next series. I'll leave a link here once it's done. We'll get you subscribed to us here on YouTube, and we'll be posting videos. We're going to be aiming for 2 to 3 videos a week. Thanks.